Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a book review. So this one is What Goes Wrong and How to Cure It, The Complete Plant Doctor, The Instant Guide to Healthy Flowering Houseplants, Tom Gao and David Longman. So this is a hardcover book, 5.5 by 8.5. And this is the spine. Okay, and then here is the back. The ISBN number is 0-8129-1172-5. So this looks like it's 1985. Okay, so let's take a look. It's really thick pages, really nice, vintage type. So actually it says copyright 1983. First American edition, it says. 1983 by Eurobook Limited. Printed in Italy. First American edition. This is sewn in pages, so you can take these pages out. This is a beautiful green colored page here. And then you start getting into the pictures. So then you have an illustration here, a little picture, a close-up of the leaf, and then an actual photo here, and then some black and white. And it's pretty much that way throughout the book. So I love the illustration part. The picture ones are great too because they're like the muted vintage pictures. It's not like a bright photograph. It's you know, it's like a vintage picture. I just love this. This is super. I have another one that I'll be showing next. It's the second version of this book. Believe it or not, this is what, it'll be May next week, and my poinsettia is still going strong, so I must have it in just a great place for it to thrive. So, but I just love these with the flowering pot with it. It's just beautiful flowers. I love them. This is a great size for journals, for collaging, or you could fussy cut them, either one. So, there you go. That's a cute little book. I love that. All right, thank you so much. Bye.